This is the story of the Little Mermaid. King Triton is the king of the ocean and all the mer people. His daughter is Ariel, and she's the youngest daughter. Ariel forgot to sing at the show for her dad, and her dad gets mad at her. He puts Sebastian the crab in charge of Ariel to keep an eye on her. Wish I could be part of that world. Ariel sees a boat and goes up to it and sees a handsome man. His name is Prince Ariel. Dun, dun, dun. And she falls in love with him. But then the boat explodes with him on it. And she saves his life. Part of your world. But Sebastian is like, no, under the sea is better. Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. Down is better, downwards where to take it from me. I expect those rules to be obeyed. It's forbidden. Daddy, I love him. Then Ariel cries. The sea witch, no, wait. Ursula is a bad witch octopus lady. Poor unfortunate souls. Then Ariel has 3 days to get the prince to kiss her, or else Ursula owns her soul. There's something different. I can't put my foot on it right now. She's got legs. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her to kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la. Then Ursula makes a boat fall over and decides to turn into a pretty girl. Donald finds out that it's Ursula in disguise. So then all the animals ruin the wedding. Then Ursula turns into a giant monster and controls the ocean. But then Eric kills Ursula, and